Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing word search in a Canva in few minutes. And even true, we also get the answer key. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So just duplicating a page, removing the sheet, and just yeah, I can delete these 2 pages now. So I create one page for the word search and also one for the answer key. So now we have to go to the apps and searching for the activities maker. This is the application, just open it. And we can enter the words manually or uploading a file. For this, we have to create the file before, but we can also add it manually. We have some presets like animals, countries, food, colors, or hobbies. I keep like the animals, and we have the word list. We can also add the additional lines, additional animals in this case. We can create immediately multiple puzzles, and we have a settings where we can create it's a grid. We can turn on, turn off. We can create we can change the color for the answer key. We can create a maximum number of words per puzzle. How many words would that add? Number of rows, number of columns, and even the directions. We can have the top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, right to left, and also with diagonals, but now I turn off the diagonals. This is much better if you turn off, if you create this word search game for small kids, or even from the bottom to top and left to right, and just keep the top to bottom and right to left. This is especially a good settings for kids between age 6, 7, where they just learn to read and write, not to confuse them. For the bigger ones, we can also add the bottom to top, left to right, and even bigger ones, we also turn on the diagonals. So now I just have to click on generate, and as you can see, everything like a mess. We have the words, what we have to search. We have the answer key. This is why I created already the second page. I just moving immediately this answer key to the second page, and here we have the field where they can search like this. I can move a bit down this, and I think it's a bit too big still, like this. Now it looks better. Yes. So it's very, very easy to create this word search game for the kids. I think that's when we have to move even bit right a bit to give some space. Yeah, it's much better. So it's a very funny, very easy. We can create for kids this word search game, and more or less infinite variations. We can add our own words. We can extend the rows and columns. Even we can change it to the total different topic if we want. This is just a preset like with the animals, but if we change the animals to something else, which was not in the preset list, like fishes or fruits, vegetables, or city names, or even like in the States for the state names or anything, something, you can add whatever you want. This was just a preset, but we can use it for anything else. And this is a pretty fun, pretty cool feature. This application. I really like it, and it's really useful if you would like to create this activities book. For example, you create some coloring book, and but some pages that's not coloring, like you can create this word search also. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. If it's possible, immediately, just with few words, or is it a difficult thing, I will create a tutorial based on the request. Or if you would like to have some specific tutorial, I try to create for you if you need it. Just let me know in the comment section. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find tons of amazing tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image or text-to-video prompts for different kind of AI tools. So if you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. In the description, you can also find the links for my Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of short tutorials. I uploading them in a daily basis. So if you also like these short tutorials, feel free to check my Instagram and TikTok page also. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.